name is Dr. Deborah Ford, and welcome to my course 2018 Revealed. This course will teach you what the energy on our planet is doing during 2018, how this energy will affect you. It will also give you tools for aligning yourself with this energy just for a happier life. In Lecture 2, we are going to work on the energy of the number and what this means to the planet and the energy connection to the Tao. In Lectures 3, we will spend time understanding how this energy directly affects you. It's a good idea to have a dedicated notebook or a journal in which you write your notes, a place to write down the concrete action steps that you are going to take to implement these energy changes in your life. In Lecture 3, in the resource section, you may also download a complete PDF copy of my book, 2018 Revealed. So here at the Soul Path Institute, we are in the business of happiness. We're good at it too. We teach tools for living a happier life, practical, easy to apply techniques for just being happier. This course, 2018 Revealed, helps you align yourself with the energy on the planet. And my name is Dr. Deborah Ford, and I am a spiritual philosophy counselor and teacher. Welcome to my course. Teaching is my joy.